You know what? Close your eyes. Even if you can smell it, keep them closed. Don't open them. Okay. Open your eyes.
Is this like a fear factor thing?
Open your eyes, yeah.
What the heck? What is that? What are you doing, man?
It's our dinner. Look at the eyes, like, hello. Okay.
Right
Now you know where your food comes from. This is what it looks like. All right, we're not gonna stay with this thing too long. The first time I made it, I was actually surprised at just how easy it is. So we're just gonna make a grilled lobster for the spring. Spring couscous lobster salad. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fire up a pot. I've got a little bit of water here. Add in some dry white wine. Octopus can be super chewy. You have to tenderize it first. The best way I think is just to boil it. It just takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm gonna add in some lemon. This is a special ingredient I've never ever used except for whenever I'm making lobster. Corks. I'm gonna add in 2 corks here. And we're gonna bring this to a light simmer. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little bit so that way it's just a nice simmer. And then we're gonna take our octopus and just place this right on down. And then we're gonna cover and cook this for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right, it's coming in hot. Well, somewhat hot. I let it cool down for about 30 minutes or so, and voila, looks like a seafood market. Let's chop this bad boy up. And I'm just going to cut off the tentacles. You see that? It's nice and tender. The color's still on, so is the skin. Look how tender. Slices right through, no problem at all. But this is what I should have done yesterday. We're gonna keep this really simple. Sea salt, some black pepper, and olive oil. If you have the FitMenCook Sea Blend, citrus pairs very well with this. Let this sit and marinate for about 10 minutes and cook these bad boys up. We're gonna fire up a griddle. If your grill works, fire up that grill. This is a great grilling springtime recipe. First, we're gonna spray it with a little bit of oil, some avocado oil. I'm gonna add in some asparagus right at the top of them. Add in sea salt, some black pepper. Force that sear. I like to just take a heavy skillet, a cast iron skillet, put that right on top. And you see the colors have changed quite a bit. Then we're gonna take our asparagus. All right, we're nicely grilled asparagus. Add it to a plate. We're gonna add this to our salad. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil now. Add in our tentacles. And you're gonna take the cooked pieces, add them to a plate. All right, let's start chopping up everything to bring our salad together. So I've got a bunch of parsley here. And now for the basil. Tomato. I've also got some cooked couscous. And I found the kind that had some turmeric in the flour, so it turned to this really bright yellow color. Add in some more couscous, parsley, some tomato, some basil. Let's grab some of our cooked asparagus. We're going to chop this up. And now some of our beautiful grilled octopus. A little pinch of sea salt and some pepper. This is Mediterranean, so you know we love us a little bit of olive oil. Fold everything together. This tastes so amazing, even better chilled. I'm gonna get out my smokering gun. This is totally optional. I actually forgot one really important ingredient before we smoke this bad boy. Forgot the olives, Jesse.
Man, it's a staple.
I know, why did you let me forget the olives? Squeeze in a little bit of lemon. One more good mix. Cover your bowl. And the cool thing about a smoking gun, y'all, if you ever been curious, there's no heat to the smoking gun. I'm gonna place this cloudy bowl in the fridge to chill. Look at that smoke action. Getting up to 20 minutes. Ooh, look at the pop of colors. Man, this doesn't look like spring and smell like it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Wow, I'm fire. I can't believe I'm saying this, but maybe if you added just a little bit of vinegar, it could set this off.
Who's this person?
I know. So now I said that, I think it was the excitement about an initial bite. Mm-hmm. You don't like that? You don't like it?
No,
I was like, oh, right.
So good.
I was like, oh, I didn't that you didn't like the squid.
Everybody expects me just to be like, oh, it's so good. No, no. No, dude, that's bomb.
I almost spit over the food. And if you're not a fan of octopus, you can also just use shrimp, chicken, tofu, mushroom. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. Hope that y'all really enjoyed it. If you like how-to videos like this, I invite you to smash that like button below. If you like Jesse's reaction, if y'all think that was an honest reaction, I know that you're gonna let us know in the comment section below as well. If you're new to the channel, what up, how you doing? Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you have to ring that bell, ding, so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here in the FitMenCook kitchen. Remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily inspiration and really quick reels, shorts, TikTok-ish type of video. Until next time, I'll try to keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye, y'all.